Hey guys, Steve and Dennis here from the Arizona Cycle Kart Club. We are in Oregon at the Oregon Raceway Park for the Grass Valley Grand Prix. This came up kind of all of a sudden this past year as a great opportunity to run our cycle karts on a real racetrack. This is a track for real cars. So putting cycle karts on a real racetrack like we did at Laguna Seca 2 years ago is fantastic. The track is nice and big and smooth. There's a lot of really complicated turns, a little tricky. I think there's a few spots where you need to use the brakes to get in the corner proper, but man, it's super fun. I lost my first race to my son. I was a little cocky there, and we'll show you that in a bit.
He got you right at the end, didn't he?
He did, right at the very end. I thought I was about to wave to the grandstands, my victory lap, and I heard a noise. I looked over, and there he's
right on by.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you next time.
All right.